Welcome back to my channel Seshastai. This is Amok Kaliwa. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the last video, we understood about gradient boosting algorithm applied for classification model. We also deep dive into the mathematical formulation of the gradient boost algorithm for classification model. In today's video, we will be understanding about regularization technique, which is very well-known technique for optimizing of our model. This optimization helps us to reduce the overfitting in our model. Here we will be understanding about two main concepts, that is two types of regularization technique. One is the lasso regression and ridge regression. We will conclude the video with the difference between the lasso regression and the ridge regression. Regularization, it is a technique which prevents overfitting by adding some extra information. To understand this in depth, let us understand three scenarios. The first scenario is overfit condition, appropriate fit condition, which is the required condition, and underfit condition. For overfit condition, you can observe we have classified both positive and negative accurately. That is 100%. That is, the model is perfectly imitating the training data set. In appropriate fit, we have maximum classified the positive and negative cases with one misclassified negative case. In underfit condition, the classification is not at all good. So, what do regularization do? Regularization reduces the magnitude of the features. As the magnitude of the features is higher, the significance of that in the model is higher. Hence, it reduces the magnitude of the features, keeping the same number of features. That is, it will take a model from overfit condition to appropriate fit condition. Now, let us understand the types of regularization techniques. There are many types of regularization techniques. Let us understand the most common techniques, that is ridge regression and lasso regression. Now, what is the difference between these two? In ridge regression, we add the squared magnitude of the coefficients to the loss function as a penalty term. Similarly, in lasso regression, we take the absolute value of the magnitude of the coefficients and add it to the loss function as a penalty term. Let us understand in depth the theoretical formula for ridge and lasso regression. Ridge regression is also known as L2 type of regularization technique. The equation for ridge regression can be represented as this, wherein on the left hand side of the equation we have the error term square, that is the actual value minus the predicted value square, which is summed up for all the observation. On the right hand side of the equation, we have expanded our predicted values. That is, the equation represents as yi, which is the actual, minus summation of beta j, that is the coefficients, into xi of j, that is each value of the cell in the attributes, which is squared up and summed for all the observations, plus beta j, that is the coefficient square summed for all the observation and multiplied with a constant value lambda. This component is the bias component which we are adding in ridge regression, that is L2 regularization technique. Ridge regression is a type of linear regression with a bias component. Hence, this ridge regression reduces the amplitude of the coefficients, which in turn decreases our complexity of the model for future long-term predictions. Let us understand few of the advantages of our ridge regression. If you have high collinear independent variables, then your linear regression fails. Ridge regression with a bias component takes care of these high collinear independent variables. Similarly, if the parameters are more than the sample, then also your linear regression model fails, whereas ridge regression comes us with a rescue. These were some of the concepts on ridge regression. Let us understand the lasso regression. Lasso regression is another type of regularization technique, and it is also called as L1 type of regularization technique. The equation for lasso regression is similar to that of ridge regression, wherein you are adding some bias component to your loss function. You can observe the left hand side of the equation and the second part, the first part of the equation is similar to that of our ridge regression. The next second part of the right hand side of the equation, that is the absolute value of our coefficients, that is the change as compared to there. There we are taking the coefficient square, which is multiplied by the constant lambda and added to our loss function. Here you can observe that we are taking the absolute value. Hence, lasso regression always makes the slope shrink to 0, whereas ridge regression gets the slope near to 0. Now let us understand few of the advantages of lasso regression. First, we can neglect some of the features during our model evaluation. Lasso regression is also enhancement of linear regression with some bias component. Second, it reduces the overfitting as it is providing some of the impurities to the data set, and it also helps in feature selection. These were some of the concepts on L1 and L2 regularization techniques. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.